Hey everyone, it's Katie's Crafts here again. So today we're going to be doing something really special for the holiday season. As you can tell, we're going to be doing DIY Christmas baubles. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell and click that like button. Smash it. Hope you all enjoy. Number 1. So you'll need a plastic bauble, a template if you have one, some scissors, some glitter, a cute photo of maybe a puppy or something, and some paper. So now you need to take your template if you have one, and then you can go cutting around it to get whatever shape you want from your photo. So now I'm just gonna take my double-sided tape and I'm gonna put a little bit onto my little template. This is just if you have one. And then I'm gonna stick my little puppy photo onto the bauble template. So then I'm just gonna take my template with the photo and put it inside the bauble to see if it's the right shape. So I just took a piece of paper and I cut it around it, and now I'm just writing Merry Christmas on it. You'll see why. Just saying, but if you really like glitter, then this part of the bauble is for you. So I'm just taking a lolly stick dipped in PVA glue, and I'm just outlining what I just wrote on the bauble template thing, whatever. Here's the fun part. We're gonna put the template thing underneath a piece of paper, then we're gonna sprinkle glitter all over it. Then, when you think you have enough glitter, though you can never have enough glitter, you're gonna move it around a bit and then take the template off, and you'll see that it's stuck on. Then I'm just transferring the excess glitter from the piece of paper back into the glitter shaker so we can have another go. Then I'm just putting more glue onto the parts where we never have enough glitter on. And then I'll put more and more and more glitter onto it until I'm happy. So I'm happy with this, and here's the other side of it. So now I'm just putting it into the little plastic bubble thing, and I'm putting the other half onto it as well. Then I'm going to take the little cap thing, and now we're done. So here's one that I made off camera, and there's the one we just made now. Number 2, you need a styrofoam ball, a red pom-pom, a paintbrush, some lolly sticks, and some paint. So first we're going to stab this poor styrofoam ball with a toothpick, and then we're going to paint it brown. On camera, is it just me, or does that brown paint look bad? Then we're just going to paint those lolly sticks brown as well. You don't have to paint them fully because we're not going to be using them all. So in the next clip, I'll be showing you that I sort of stabbed the poor styrofoam ball. It's been through enough, Katie, it's been through enough, with my scissors, and I stuck the 2 lolly sticks in. I'll be showing you now. Then, also off camera, I cut up the remaining lolly sticks into smallish pieces, and we will be hot gluing them onto the sides to make little antlers. Do you know what we're making? Of course we do now, because we have the red nose. Then I cut up some felt, like some black felt, and now I'm just painting on little shiny bits onto the eyes. I don't know what they're called. Comment down below, please, if you know. He is watching you. Okay, I'm bad at the creepy stuff. Now we're taking our hot glue gun and hot gluing all the stuff onto Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, if you didn't know already. That'll be really weird. No offense. Poor Rudolph, he's been through enough. Now we're turning him upside down, for goodness sake. See, even Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer is rolling his eyes at me. I must be so immature. So now I'm just taking some ribbons so Rudolph can hang up on the Christmas tree. Yeah. So here is the beautiful finished product. Number 3. You need 2 styrofoam balls for this one. I also need some white nail polish, some black felt, a toothpick, and you don't need these, and a paintbrush, some paint, and a scissors. We're gonna start by stabbing this styrofoam ball with the toothpick and stabbing the other one with the same toothpick so they're stuck together. Then we're gonna cut that black felt and make 2 eye shapes. We're also gonna cut out a template for the hat, but I think I cut this off camera. we're gonna paint those pieces of black felt with some bad white nail polish. Like basically what we did for Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Now we're gonna take some, I don't know what this color is called, but some felt, and we're gonna cut a longish strip of it so we can make a scarf. Now we're gonna take our hot glue gun and glue everything in place, and there's the finished product. Number 5, the last one. Now this one is probably my favorite. You need a styrofoam ball. You also need a CD, doesn't matter if it's broken. You also need a hot glue gun. And you need some paint that you mixed up yourself. Well, you don't need to mix it up yourself, but you also need a paintbrush. So we're just gonna cut that CD into little pieces like this. Then we're gonna paint it. Now, I sort of made a mess of this, but like, you can do whatever you like. It'll turn out really cool anyway, because it won't show much of the paint when the DIY is done. So, yeah. I finished painting it off camera, and now we're gonna take our little pieces of CD, warm up our hot glue gun, and hot glue them literally everywhere around this. Enjoy! Do you know what this is gonna be? Yeah, you do. You better. You should anyway. It's gonna be a holographic Christmas bauble that when you have your lights on, it'll reflect. I'm really bad at explaining. Whatever. And here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Then if you do, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye, see you in my next video.